Video number 11. A quick guide to YouTube Shorts Analytics. Want to know what percentage of your YouTube traffic comes from YouTube Shorts? Wonder no more. Here's a video on how to find the analytics you're looking for. YouTube Shorts Analytics. Now that YouTube is going all in with short-form content, more information is being shared with creators. Now you can go to the YouTube Studio and access the one thing we've wanted to see all along, which are analytics for YouTube Shorts. Without these analytics, we can't answer important questions. For instance, Shorts are vertical videos of less than 60 seconds, and we've always wondered how such a short viewing duration affects a channel's watch time. How to view YouTube Shorts Analytics. On YouTube, there are 3 ways to view Shorts Analytics. 2 of those methods are for desktop viewing, and 1 is for viewing on mobile. To see analytics on either device, here's what you need to do. Method 1. Viewing individual video stats on desktop. While on desktop, go to the YouTube Studio. In the left navigation field, click Videos. Hover your mouse over any video and some menu options will appear. You'll want to click the Analytics button, which looks like a tiny bar graph. On the right side of the page, you'll find real-time stats for views coming from YouTube Shorts, as shown. Method 2. Viewing channel stats on desktop. While on desktop, go to the YouTube Studio. In the left navigation menu, click Analytics. Next, you'll see a section showing views, watch time, subscriber count, and estimated revenue for your channel. Scroll directly below this section and click See More. Go to the Filter tabs at the top of the page and click Traffic Source. This action divides the views on your channel by all the different ways people can watch your content, which now includes YouTube Shorts. Look. Method 3. Viewing stats on mobile. Open the YouTube Studio app and click Analytics in the top left menu. Click the Discovery tab at the top of the page and you'll see a list of traffic sources for your views, including those from YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts views. Can they be monetized? Basically, views that come from the YouTube Shorts traffic source aren't monetized. Because of that, these views don't contribute to the 4,000 hours of watch time you'd need to apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start making money. However, if someone watches a YouTube Short as a regular video on the app, meaning it wasn't watched on the Stories and Short Videos shelf or another display area, that video can earn some revenue and boost a channel's watch time. For example, let's say you're watching a video but something interests you on the Stories and Short Videos shelf. If you watch that video, the creator earns 1 view from the traffic source of YouTube Shorts. They don't earn any advertising revenue or extra watch time. On the other hand, if you watch that same video on a channel page so it plays like a regular video, the short earns 1 view and can also get advertising revenue. And any watch time it collects goes toward the 4,000 hours a creator needs for monetization. Analyzing a YouTube Shorts channel. Views from the traffic sources below and the watch time they earn count toward monetizing the brand's Shorts channel. Channel pages, browse features, direct or unknown. Notifications, external. Suggested videos, YouTube search. Other YouTube features, playlists, playlist pages. Latest update on YTA, views of Shorts count as regular views. In YouTube Analytics, views of Shorts are counted the same as regular videos. They do not get filtered out of a channel's total view count. With that being the case, views from Shorts have the potential to impact channel metrics like average view duration and click-through rate. To compete with TikTok, YouTube will probably keep developing Shorts and all the data that come with them. We just hope future metrics help creators do what they desire most, which is getting more views, subscribers, watch time, and revenue on YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.